Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm a patient of Dr. Trimble's who had in-office balloon sinuplasty procedure. Really what led me to go in and get my CT scan in Dr. Trimble's office was snoring at night. I knew that I had sleep apnea. I had actually had my tonsils removed prior to the sinus surgery to get those out of the way to help me see if I would breathe a little bit better and not snore. And it turned out that I continued to snore, continued to have a lot of pain in my sinuses and drainage. And the CT scan that I had done in his office confirmed that I didn't have full 6 sinus disease, and we made the decision to have the full 6 sinus office procedure done with Dr. Trimble. I highly recommend Dr. Trimble to anyone who has battled sinus issues, whether they're during allergy season or continual sinus infections during the year. The people who have been on nasal sprays, antibiotics, and things of that nature with no real resolution. I think Dr. Trimble offers a silver bullet for that. You can break the cycle of continually taking those medications and treating your symptoms and actually treat the problem itself and get rid of the underlying cause that does make you